Hi guys, I'm back. So today, a surprise happened. I received a box from my very first ever PR. And guess what? I opened it real quick because she hasn't talked to me in months, like since last year. And tell me why I don't see anything in the box. Like, I hope it's something little and it got stuck in the very bottom. So I'm just gonna open it again with you guys. What do they say? Victims? No. Oh my gosh, I forgot the word. Never mind. Okay, so this is I always forget the address. So this is the box. The K, you see, that's my name. I know it's from her. It doesn't say her name, the business name, nothing, but I know because she has sent me a box the same way. That's her logo. That's her handwriting. So I got excited. That made my day because I haven't seen her, heard from her, or she hasn't been posting in her business at all ever. So I was like, oh my gosh, yay. Is this like a belated birthday present or PR? I don't know. So then I open it and look. It's just nothing. Just look. I'm still shocked that I just felt like I needed it to document it. I don't know why. But look, there's nothing. I'm gonna open it again to make sure. So, okay. I don't feel anything. It's just a bunch of noodles. I don't know if it's a prank or a joke, which is funny. Imagine just having someone send you this with nothing, just noodles. Look, nothing, just noodles. I don't see anything. Like I'm squishing, I don't see anything. I don't know her personally, but so I don't know if this is a joke or by accident. See, just noodles, nothing. I don't feel nothing. Again. Oops, see, I'm making a mess. See, we're at the bottom now. Nothing. She didn't send me nothing. I don't know if she forgot to put something inside and she was rushing and she saw my box and was like, oh, I forgot to send her this. It's been like a year already. Let me send it to her. But no, there's nothing. I don't know what to do. And I reached out to her like last year and she hardly replied. She's always not in touch. She's always traveling. I don't know what happened to her there. So yeah, I don't know. I thought it was kind of funny to share. So yeah, bye.